everybody! Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. So, it's another Saturday. Another Saturday. So, ngayon, of course, I will be sharing again to you of me doing hair, and today mag-aano tayo, mag hair rebonding and Brazilian or keratin treatment sa buhok ng aking friend. So yeah, ang lamig-lamig today, guys. Of course, still very cold. Maaga yung call time namin. Kinuha na sila ni Rookie. So, it's still 7. What time is it? 7:20 in the morning. So, it's still pretty early. But, we decided to start early para matapos din kami ng early. Kasi, medyo matagal yung process nito. So, I'm just waiting for them. I am already ready. And I'm just, chilling. And, although hindi ko pa nainom akong coffee, mamaya na kasi parang hindi ko pa feel uminom ng coffee. But, how are you all? I hope na magiging maganda yung araw ninyo today. Hopefully, yung araw natin, all of us will have a wonderful day. Yeah, it's, may araw. Although, yung pagising namin, we woke up like around 6. It's so dark already, guys. Yung mga 6 a.m. dito, it's still pretty dark. I guess it starts to have light when yung 7 o'clock in the morning. So pretty late yung sunrise dito ngayon because it's the winter. We are not in autumn anymore. Bakit ganun yung sabi ko? I'm always in a hurry, so that's why nagiging bulol. So we are already in winter, and most of the nights we are getting like hindi pa naman that very low temperature, like around 1 degree, sometimes like the -1, but in the morning wala pa. So hopefully we are not gonna experience snow pa at this time kasi ayoko talaga ng snow. So hindi ko siya inaasahan na mag-snow pa. So siguro mga mid-December or sometimes nung mga nakaraan na taon wala talagang snow. So but last year merong snow. So hopefully konti lang ngayon because I really don't like snow. It's so cold and it's making me sick. So yeah, ganun lang. And also it's already cold, but cross fingers, I'm still feeling pretty okay. Wala pa yung allergy attacks ko talaga kasi usually in the winter time, grabe, nahihirapan talaga akong huminga, guys. Allergies, asthma attack is real talaga pag winter sa akin. So ayun, hopefully may mga yung dumudugo ng aking nose, but hindi pa yung nahihirapan naman. So hopefully hindi masyado this year. Hopefully sana naman kasi I'm scared, I'm scared. I don't like that feeling. So, ayun na. 3 minutes na yung pagdadadal ko. And I'm just gonna wait for them. And I'm gonna see you all later. So, okay, let's get started. This is how her hair looks like, you guys. It is so thick. And she really does a lot of hair. So, I'm already applying this Rining cream right away on her hair after I cut. Her hair was originally long, and we got like, I don't know, 5 inches because her mom wants her to have a shorter hair so that it will be easy and manageable whenever she goes to school. So yeah, I'm just doing not a very thick section because I want to saturate every hair that she has, because since she has a lot of hair and it's on the curlier side, so I just make sure that I really saturated her hair thoroughly. So I guess on this clip, I reapplied this straightening cream on her hair after like processing it for 40 minutes, and then I left it for like another 10, and then I checked again, and if it's not yet processed again, so I left it for another 10 minutes, so in total 20 minutes. So after processing it, I then went ahead and rinsed her hair thoroughly, making sure that nothing's left on her hair, and then this is how her hair looks like after drying it completely 100%. So this is the perfect texture. You could be able to see that the hair has processed very well. So now we are ready to flat iron her hair. So I just brush her hair, making sure that I remove all the tangles, and as per usual, I always do a tea parting just to make sure that everything flows smoothly. So yeah, we have some, coordination in this process. So as always, do a paper thin sectioning or flat ironing whenever you do hair bonding. Flat ironing is very, very important whenever you do hair bonding. This is the key, guys, in having a beautiful result in hair bonding. So I just make sure that I flat iron your hair thoroughly. Yeah. Now you can see that we are almost finished here. I'm just, doing this section here, I guess. So I think it took me 2.5 hours or more, almost 3 hours, flat ironing her hair, since she has a very long hair, a very thick hair. She has a lot of hair, and she is in the curly side as well. So there's a lot of hair, really. So yeah, hair bonding is not easy. You just need to have patience with it. Just remember to make sure that you flat iron the hair very, very well, because that sets you apart from having a beautiful result in doing hair bonding every time. Finally, we're done ironing, and then went ahead and applied the neutralizer in her hair. On applying the neutralizer, make sure also that you fully saturate the hair, making sure that you did not left out any strands of hair not applied with the neutralizer, so that you could lock in uh, the straightness of the hair. So then after I applied the neutralizer, I then wrapped her hair with the cling wrap to insulate for it to process like evenly and faster. So that's the role of wrapping the hair. So after processing it for 30 minutes, I then went ahead and rinsed the hair thoroughly, making sure that nothing's left on the hair, no cream left on the hair. So after yeah, drying her hair, I think I dried her hair on this one after applying the neutralizer for like 70%, because we are also doing a keratin treatment. Like I always say in my video, guys, that keratin treatment is very, very important whenever you do a hair bonding. This just to ensure that you help your hair replenish replenish, the nutrients that you lost during this the chemical treatment, because uh, like I always say, hair bonding is really very harsh to the hair, especially if not done correctly. So after applying the keratin treatment, I then let this set or process for 40 minutes. So while the first hair is processing, in order for me to save time, I then started to apply this hair straightening cream on my next person. So yeah, a tip for you all: if you want to save time, if you're doing two-person at the same time, during the keratin treatment, you can apply, while it's processing, you can apply the hair straightening cream on your next one. So yeah, this really helps in saving time. So her hair type on this one is more on the normal. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. So I'm just sectioning it in not too thin, not too thick as well. So just making sure that I saturate the hair thoroughly. So after this, I let this process for 30 minutes and wrap it with a cling wrap in order for it to process a little faster. I don't Since it's so cold, you need something, some insulation, guys. Whenever you do hair bonding in the cold weather, make sure that you wrap it in the clean up. So while that hair was processing, I then went ahead and dried the first person's head, like 100% dry, and then after drying it 100%, I then went ahead, of course, flat iron her hair, just the right amount of sectioning. uh,
yeah, per usual, not too thin, not too thick. But if you really wanted to have a very uh, thick straight hair, you can iron it the same as hair bonding, like paper thin section. So I just checked the the hair of the second person, if it is already processed. But when I check it, it's not yet completely processed. So I just went and like leave it for another 10 minutes. So we are done with the first hair, guys. I'm just trimming your hair, making sure that hair, because I just roughly trimmed her hair at the beginning. So right now her mom asked me to do some little layering, not too much, because since she is still very young. So this is how her hair looks like. It, oh my god, every time I finish the service, it feels so amazing, because look how shiny her hair. Yes, but obviously I just flat iron it, but look how amazingly shiny and so different. So this is how her hair looks like before. It's very long and very unruly, and now this is how it looks like after, and then this is how it looks like after she washed her hair. Amazes me every time. So now I'm back with my second head. So right now, as you can see, I'm flat ironing her hair finally, and I guess this will not take 2.5 hours or almost three. I guess we just did her hair like 1.5, because she has fairly r- normal or regular amount of hair, and it's not long, very long as well. So yeah, just making sure paper thin section, and then after like flat ironing, I let the hair cool and apply the neutralizer, and then voila, we're done. I skipped some part, you guys, because this is going to be a very very long video already if I show everything, and it's just a repetition. So this is how her hair looks like after like doing keratin treatment. Also, we did a keratin treatment, so I skipped that part, applying the keratin treatment, because you see that already a million times. So this is how her hair looks before we started, and then just after the service, and this is how her hair looks after wash. So what do you think?
Hello guys. So, it's another day and hindi na ako nakapag vlog um, last night because I'm so tired already. Oh, it's against the light. I'm so tired already, and ayun nga, mga 10 o'clock na kaming nakauwi kasi hinatid pa namin sila. So, today is a Sunday and I'm gonna, vlog a little today, I guess, but not that much kasi baka medyo mahaba na itong video na to. So, we are just going to go to a recycle shop today to look for something kasi may nahanap kami ni Rookie. So, I am all ready. This is my outfit. Kasi it's so cold. This morning was like -1 already, so it's kind of cold. I'm wearing a warmer underneath this, sweater. So yeah, that is it for today, you guys. My God, what's happening with this hair? Why is this straight? So I just scrubbed my hair. I did not shampoo my hair, guys. I just put um powder. That is my um dry shampoo. I just used baby powder to because it's a little oily, but it's the winter, nobody cares. So iron this is also keeps the hair healthy. We wanted to have a healthy shiny hair. Do not shampoo your hair every day because it's not good for your hair, just saying. So that's what's keeping my hair healthy. I guess so. I'm gonna see you all later, I guess. So yeah, we'll do a little vlogging today. So cannot see me, this is my outfit today. Can't see me. Kind of boring, but it is so cold. I'm wearing this, turtleneck sweater, and then down here, this is a leggings na may I'm gonna show you. Yung ganyan, may balahibo na siya. Kasi it's kind of cold. You cannot wear ordinary jeans. No, it's so cold. So ganyan lang siya. And then I'm gonna wear my Converse, I guess, to pair this one. Yeah, with definitely a pile sock. Kasi malamig nga, diba? So, oh my God, this is a boring outfit. Ganyan lang. Okay, see you now. So yeah, this is our complete outfit. Ayan. Wearing Converse and jacket because it's malamig. Ganyan pala, para nakikita nyo guys. Ganyan pala, di ba? Yeah! So, gonna go now. This is our destination. No toll, 15 minutes. With toll, 30 minutes. So, yeah, we'll just joyride. Okay. Here we go. Copyright na. So gloomy. So stop over kami dito muna sa Family Mart. Oh, you cannot see it, but that is Family Mart at the back. Of course, saan? There. Yeah, basta Family Mart. For coffee, kasi ang lamig guys, you need to drink hot coffee talaga because it's so cold. And I also got siopaw kasi why not? Diba? Pwede kumain kasi hindi pa kami nag-lunch. Nag-ano lang kami, nag-breakfast. Late, like mga 11 nata or 10:30 kami kumain ng tinapay lang. Yung toast lang. Tapos ano, yun. So I'm gonna si Rookie, tapos na yata siyang kumain. He just ate like ano? Skune. Ano yung skune? Yung parang
cartilage sa manok.
Chicken cartilage daw na naka-skewer. Skewer, not skewer. Skewer. So, I'm just gonna drink my coffee and eat my pizza. Meron din akong binili na junk food. Pero doon lang na, oh, you're so near me. Doon lang na, yung beef doon na cheese curls, fried cheese curls sa Family Mart. Pero hindi sa lahat ng Family Mart meron siya. Diyan lang na Family Mart. Yeah. Then eat now and yeah. Wala yung aking siopaw, cheese takharbi mang. Hindi ko alam kung anong sabihin yan. Basta gusto ko yung cheese. Yung pizza mang sana pero wala daw. Kaya eto na lang. Try. Ano ba to? Hindi ko pa na. Ganyan yung ano. Naman. But masarap. Lami. Murag weird. It's spicy and it's sticking on my teeth. Can you see that? Trees, they are so dead because it's winter na, di ba? Kawawa naman yung trees. I'm confused. What is that up? Is that an expressway? Kasi it's so, sabi,
Maura din kung dito to sit.
Maura? So we'll just, you know,
Dito lang ta.
okay, mo na ra siya. Okay, bala ka. I don't know the road eh. Diba, that's weird. Oh, yung sa there. That's a road. Is that a road? I don't know because there's no road. Oh, naputol siya. Wala siya natiwas o gano. May guys, so we've arrived at our destination finally. Ang daming tao dito. There's a lot of cars. This is, I guess, a hardcore recycle shop. Kasi ang daming tao. I guess, hindi lang to recycle shop. Okay, no? Baka may mga tinda dito na grocery or like mapagkain. Kasi ang daming tao. You've been here.
Yeah, once I forgot.
But that was a long time ago. Yeah. This one, this has like this, but it's only 600, but it's too
Kasi yung customer mo, reklamo.
too thick. I cannot do haircut with that one.
Oo.
Yeah.
Dili siya ko, hindi siya open ba?
Cannot do haircut with that one.
Pwede naman no?
And it's like very shaky, but no, not that one. Too thick, uy. Okay, I'm just gonna rant a little. So we're done there inside the recycle shop, but I feel so weird here. It's so weird because the people are so excited to see the stuff that are, you know, na binibenta dyan. But wala namang magaganda guys. It's just like anong tawag niyan, yung sa Santa sa amin na yung parang lumang-luma na, but there are a lot of people inside, pero parang weird. Hey friends, welcome back. We're home and hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi full ng aking phone. Hindi ko pala na-transfer yung video from like the other Saturday, so I am currently transferring it there. So yeah, and also I think I need to say goodnight now kasi gabi na din, and yeah, I just wanted to relax na guys kasi kahapon medyo pagod din ako. Yeah, so I hope that everybody is well, and yeah, I hope that you had a wonderful day and a great day as always. Keep safe still, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will all see you on my next video. Uya, so me.